In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add CSS code to your Blogger website. So first of all, without any more time wasted, let's get started. First, you need to log in with your Gmail on blogger.com, then layout option, then again click on theme designer, then select advanced mode, then click on these three menu, then add css. You can see this add css. Now click on here, then paste your css code. So I write a code for making video purpose, then you need to save, right? But click on this icon, save. Wow, it's already saved to my website. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.